I would still class myself as a beginner to digital art. But I thought there might be an absolute beginner out there who might like to know how to use an existing piece of their own digital art to make a new one. So here goes. I've drawn my very rough sketch to get an idea of the layout. Now I'll go to my existing art from a previous video. I'll turn off the visibility of the layers I don't want, then I make sure the layers I do want are selected. If the image is spread across multiple layers, press Shift on Windows as you click the layers next to each other, called contiguous. Or if they are not next to each other, non-contiguous, press Ctrl on Windows and click the layers you want to select. Next I'll use the rectangular Mackie tool to select the part of the image I want and copy it. Then go back to the new picture, paste the image in and using the Move tool, resize and reposition the image ready to become a part of this new picture. I like to have a second window open so I can see the whole picture at any time without zooming in and out. I'll speed up the rest of the video as I create the new art. These people don't need to be detailed as they are quite far away. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas!